and welcome to this edition of English News. I'm Kate Mary. The top stories. Women vendors of Imakaithil stages sit in protest demanding implementation of ILP in Manipur. And MLA K. Shyam has warned of taking up legal action against baseless allegations levelled against him. Now the news in detail. Demanding implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur, women vendors of Khwairaman Ima market stage sit in protest today. The sit in protest was staged after seizing their daily chorus, showing support and solidarity to the movement launched by Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System in Manipur and its students' wing. Leaders of various women vendors of Imakaithil also took part in the protest. As a result of the protest, many shops and business establishments in Imphal remain closed. A woman who took part in the protest urged the state government to implement inner line permit system in Manipur at the earliest. The state government should not consider volunteers of inner line permit system as antisocial and should not paint them in wrong light. The movement to launch implementation of ILP is for the welfare of all people of the state. She further maintained that they will extend all possible support in the agitation to implement inner line permit system in Manipur.
Manipur inner line permit Manipur the mitu se singi chagur hengala eba adu singi chagur hengala se yanaba magi sahi taunaraga adu da anu moi mitu changa pari ho thingmanate koi iram da macha mi mire pakta lagi adu yanaba magi melama inaraga anda thambi yosini.
MLA Karam Shyam has warned of taking up legal action against those who hurled baseless allegations to cover up their misdeeds. He said this after inspecting MNREGS work stack up in different places of his constituency. Karam Shyam inspected the MNREGS work taken up in 3 GPs of Langthabal Kendra in order to ascertain the facts following the allegations levelled against him by Zone ZP member Sagolshem Ronel to him. He further maintained that Rs 8,77,366 was withdrawn without constructing canal at Langthabal Mantri Kong Mayai Leikai, Lokon. Moreover, 9,71,000 have also been taken without executing any work for black topping of Waikhom Chaubalairak till Khongnang Faidekpi. He further alleged that Rs 5,64,000 was also withdrawn without doing any work in a local pond. To cover up such misdeeds, allegations were heaped upon him, MLA added.
Adi Ronen na ngarang press media da yamna misguide over sagi mathaudi masak khangdaba nupa amana Langthabal Kendra gi amna thamoi sengna thabak tawjari be MLA bu mis adi lan honna basidi Kendra sigi amna laibak thibani aduna responsibility ama sungchoi choidna fix tawgani title laiba meetings the responsibility fix tawgani aran ma tawba mi ama talemna tharoi madu ain gi matungina step ching lawgani haibo ofam si press media aduga Langthabal Kendra gi prajada natna Manipur miyamda madugi achetpo ofam ama aina thamjari.
Taking serious note of the fast dwindling of agricultural area within Laifam Khunau area, a public meeting was held at Mitong Lampak Laifam Khunau today. The public meeting was held under the initiative of Laifam Khunau Youth Development Association. A large number of people from the surrounding areas took part in the said meeting. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Laifam Khunau Youth Development Association expressed apprehension, saying due to the unabated sale of agricultural areas within Laifam Khunau to outsiders, the area for construction of residential houses and agricultural lands has been decreased to a great extent. Though under MLR Act 1960, it has been clearly mentioned that no houses or any activities can be taken up at agricultural area, yet it has not been respected and followed. Construction of houses and other has been continuing unabated till now. He urged to all concerned to prevent and stop from continuing such activities to save agricultural lands.
Kan bajik mai tawna kan da pena som makarom chhat ta lai bahana de number 6 ayamba lawje lawpham jingje loina yum chadala loina mangdana loidraba aduna lemori ba hojikse koina mangda uriba process maina mangdana ba na koina awang thangba side la law jingje koina hojik atopa la khunda saliba mayam je tasalai je koina labu koina tawka thingaga koina law koina una ba na koina adu maru koina adu ne koina se koina chinjari ba kaino je adubu sida kana gumba kana du hai do koina law yon ba mapu amadagi amana law ba thingba kaina koigi wakanda de adubu akoi kana gumba amagi law mapu mana kana gumba ta yon ba du ba thingba di leke akoina thingjari ba hojik sidi yum sabi gano hai ba du katane koina thingjari ba men hoina koina thingjari je
Amtuk and MGO have appealed the state government to discuss the needful for pensioners, employees and casual employees in the upcoming assembly session to begin from 10th of this month. ISTV President Khamba Salam has appealed to the film producers and directors to produce films which will guide the society in the right direction. He said this in connection with the get-together function of Future Actor 2013 and Yaifa Thauni Thauram of 2 films under Bright Film at Avimpa office in Wangkai today. The 2 new production of Bright Film are Lin Thoi Nganbi and Thoibi. Screenplay writer L. Dhanachandra Sharma and Film Forum Manipur Secretary General Ipu were also present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, screenplay writer Dhanachandra said in order to become a famous artist, a person needs to put in a lot of effort and hard work. Secretary of Film Forum Ipu lauded the effort of Avimpa to produce good and talented artists, saying it a step in the right direction. ISTV President Khamba Salam said since we have a good number of good directors, he appealed to produce good films which will be useful and productive in our society.
tabuk to otok la yam chalen le to tabuk sin to al khan bu mu sin jodona warani ara mo si ore control si ka thok ne thok to bo sino nai babu ko ni yeng nai ai shor ni
Office bearers for Southeast Asia Cultural Organization for the term 2013 to 15 have been selected. Koijam Brozen and Laishram Kennedy have been elected as President and General Secretary. 28 executive members are also elected according to a press release by SICO. Following the death of 3 persons at Phumlau in Imphal West District after bitten by dog, State Veterinary Department has taken up a lot of effort to tackle the menace of rabies in dog by taking up anti-rabies vaccination at different places. More than 100 dogs were vaccinated with anti-rabies at different places including Khurai area. Deputy Director of Veterinary Department Dr. Nandakishore said the widespread anti-rabies vaccination campaign has been taken up to prevent the spread of rabies disease in dogs of every locality. He also lauded the support extended to the department by various organizations of the state in the anti-rabies vaccination campaign. He further urged to bring dogs in every household to vaccinate anti-rabies medicine.
Nasi Khurai Paragon Club ki adi voluntary organization ki member khuding makusu hoi department ki makai da gisu ko thagat pa phongtok sari smai tawdana ai ngasi pijar ba message singa se hadi Manipur da lariba club sangsan khuding makna follow tawbidana Khurai Paragon Club tawna ramna responsible khangna adi akoi department da mateng pangbira baina mayang phamda ISTB ki khuthangda appeal tawjari.
Combined team of Thoubal District Police Commando and 15 Assam Rifles have arrested 6 cadres of KNFP from Yairipog, Laimanai, Lamkhai. They were arrested after a search operation in the area according to a press release by SP Thoubal. Various organizations of the state has conducted a social service at Kekrupat where the UCM and Amuko will jointly observe the Great June Uprising Day, come Unity Day on June 18. United Clubs Organization Imphal East, Palem, Nonglampal and Kampal volunteers took part in the social service. President Imphal East United Clubs Organization Rajen said the social service was conducted at Kekrupat where the 18 martyrs of the state laid down their lives to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur for the convenience of those who came to take part in the observation. Convener of the Observation Committee, Joy Chandra Konthojam, lauded the people of the state for extending help and conducting social service for successful observation of the day.
The Great June Uprising Unity Day Observation 2013 asibu Jat Bijat Kaidana Akoi Punna Hakat Lekat Taminashi Haibu Wakum Sisu Tamjage Loinana Numin Asida Akogi Makom Asida Akoi Isai Nomai Loinana Harau Kumai Tawidanaba Observation Committee decided
to wrap up the headlines once again. Women vendors of Ima Kaithal stages sit in protest demanding implementation of ILP in Manipur. And MLA K. Shyam has warned of taking up legal action against baseless allegations levelled against him. That's it in this edition. Stay tuned and keep watching.